హలో పీపుల్స్, వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు అవర్ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్. సో మన యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ నేమ్ వచ్చేసి బీటెక్ మచాస్. ఈరోజు మన వీడియో వచ్చేసి గ్రీన్ బిల్డింగ్ రేటింగ్ సిస్టమ్. సో ఎనర్జీ సోర్సెస్ అండ్ అప్లికేషన్లో 5th యూనిట్ అనమాట. సో ఈ వీడియోలోకి వెళ్ళకన్నా ముందు అందరూ నా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, అలానే లైక్ చేయండి. సో నాకు కొంచెం ఎంకరేజ్మెంట్గా ఉంటుంది. సో ఈ టాపిక్ క్లియర్గా అర్థం కావాలంటే వీడియో ఎండ్ వరకు చూడండి, స్కిప్ చేయకుండా. సో the green building rating system is a non-profit organization whose aim to offer the method certified construction projects with an environmental and economic benefits. సో గ్రీన్ బిల్డింగ్ రేటింగ్ సిస్టమ్ వచ్చేసి ఇట్ ఈస్ అ నాన్ ప్రాఫిట్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్ విచ్ డస్ నాట్ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ ప్రాఫిట్. సో మెయిన్ ఎయిమ్ ఆఫర్ ద సర్టిఫైయింగ్ ద కన్స్ట్రక్షన్. మెయిన్ ఎయిమ్ వచ్చేసి మెథడ్స్ ఆఫ్ సర్టిఫైయింగ్ ద కన్స్ట్రక్షన్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ అండ్ ఎన్విరాన్మెంటల్ అండ్ ఎకనామిక్ బెనిఫిట్స్. So the rating system has been introduced for the developing sustainable building that is eco-friendly, conserves water, energy and natural resources in the construction and maintenance of the building, produce less waste and provide ambient environment of occupants. So the rating system has been introduced by it is main aim to introduce developing the sustainable sustainable building. So eco-friendly anamata, conserve water, energy, natural resources that in the construction and maintenance of the building, produce less waste and providing the it can produce the less waste of the building. So the green building rating has stored in the year of 1990 in the United Kingdom, referred as the building research established the environmental assignment method. So the green building rating system was started in the year of 1990 Kingdom, refers main aim to research establishment of environmental assignment method. So the main assignment criteria include the management, health, being, energy, transport and water, material and land, less and pollution. The main assignment of criteria వచ్చేసి మేనేజ్మెంట్, హెల్త్, ఎనర్జీ, ట్రాన్స్పోర్ట్, వాటర్, మెటీరియల్, ల్యాండ్లెస్ అండ్ పొల్యూషన్. సో ద యునైటెడ్ స్టేట్ గ్రీన్ బిల్డింగ్ కౌన్సిల్ create the leadership of energy environmental design green building rating in the year of the 1998. So the United State of Green Building create the leadership in energy and environmental in the year of 1998. So this is the topic for green building rating system. So like, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. సో ఈరోజు మన టాపిక్ వచ్చేసి లేడ్ సర్టిఫికేషన్. సో టాపిక్లోకి వెళ్ళే ముందు ఒకసారి సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి నా ఛానల్ని. సో ద లేడ్ సర్టిఫికేషన్, నాలెడ్జ్ ఆఫ్ ది లేడ్. lead means leadership in energy and environmental design. So the knowledge of lead certification is very important for the property owners because create awareness about increasing the competition in the green market. So LED means leadership in the energy and environmental design. So is a LED certificate అనేది very important for the property owners because create the awareness to increasing the competition of green market. So it is the very important for the certification for the LED because awareness is most important for the nowadays, alane increasing the competition of the green market. So the LED certification providing independent verification to know whether the standards met by the building lies in the accepted guidelines as maintained in the LED green building rating system. So the certification provide means it is a certificate provide independence verification anamata. So whether standard building lies accepted guidelines as mentioned in the lead green building rating system. So projects with the lead certification are recognized as environmental friendly and better quality projects. Also the demand for this certification is further increased due to wide acceptance of the both public and private owners. So the project with the lead certification are recognized as a environmental friendly and better quality. So lead certificate వచ్చేసి environmental friendly and a better quality for the project anamata. Also demand the certification further increasing the due to wide acceptance of the it is increasing the acceptance for both public owners and private owners due to excellent of lead rating system in design and construction industries. Both properties developers and constructors have now realizing that they are successfully completed project achieving the green building. So excellent lead rating system design and construction both means property developers and constructors now realizing the successfully completing project to achieving the green objective. So this is the topic for the lead certification. So do subscribe my channel. Thank you for the watching.